What is going on, guys? Sir Lewis here, the YouTuber that helps you invest to rest. And in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys here how to see which altcoin or any crypto coin out there sells on any exchange, right? So you have a altcoin that you like, or you want to see which exchange provides that altcoin. I'm gonna show you guys here. This is the video for you. I'm gonna show you how to do this on your phone, and you can also do this on the PC. This app that I'm gonna show you has a website as well, and I'm gonna link all the apps for Android and iPhone and for the PC in the description below. And I'm gonna show you guys here how to do this fast, step by step. So let's get to it. This app is called CoinGecko. As you guys can see, it's right here. It has like a little gecko on it. So after you download it, I'm gonna leave the link in the app for the App Store and the Android store. This is an amazing app. Let me just tell you right here. They basically have a database of all the altcoins out there that you can possibly think of. This is not an exchange or anything like that. This is just a database to do research and all that stuff. So for example, right here, you have an altcoin that you like. For me, I like this altcoin called PHT, which is, you know, not the biggest one at the moment. So it even tells you the rank that it's at. It's number 83, I think, based on market cap. So you click on it. It's really simple and easy to use. You can favorite it here at the top, but we're looking to see which exchanges provides this altcoin that you like, right? So all you gotta do is click right here, exchanges, and it tells you, it gives you all the exchanges here that provides this altcoin or crypto coin. And you guys can even see the volume, the 24-hour volume of how much is being spent on this altcoin in the 24-hour. It tells you the price on that exchange. And if you just click right here, so this one, Binance, obviously, it tells you here all the exchange that it basically has right here, Bixi. And I like too, it gives a rating for each exchange. I like how it gives a rating here at the right side. It tells you the trust. If it's green, then you know it has pretty good trust. So over here, the trust score is good. We estimate that this exchange's pair has a good liquidity. So I guess it's based on the liquidity and a bunch of other factors here. So that's how you see which exchange has it. There's so many other features in this app, guys, that it's just amazing to have. If you like crypto or having altcoins, it tells you here so much info about that coin. It tells you the price, the live price. If you go back here, you can even make a portfolio for you, so you can have all your favorite altcoins here. You can search here, you can explore here, which is awesome. This is awesome because it gives you the latest news on crypto, on altcoins though. So if you don't want to always be going to Google or other news apps and just want to see the altcoin and crypto center news, just go right here. It tells you the latest ones. Look right here, about 20 minutes ago, about an hour ago. So there's so many good things about this app here, as you guys can see. And another cool thing here that they have is calculator. You can put a calculator here for the live. So let's say $100, what is $100 in worth in all these altcoins right here. It tells you all of them in just one view, right? So you can see in one view, which is pretty cool. So definitely recommend you guys get this app. I'll leave a link for it in the description below, for Apple and for Android. And you can also do this on PC. They have their own website, so definitely check it out. Definitely recommend it if you guys are getting into altcoins and crypto. So thank you guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.